What's up, YouTube? It's Vince for the hashtag Very Cool Guys, and today I'm super excited to make an announcement. We were able to get some more information on a long-awaited tool that was announced at Milwaukee's MPS 2018. And we're going to bring that information to you in about 10 seconds. So here it is. We have 2552-22. It's still coming soon, but we have some info. It's the M12 FUEL 1/4-inch impact wrench. This Stubby Impact Wrench created quite a buzz. I mean, we did a large amount of videos and reviews and overviews of the Milwaukee MPS 2018 offerings. If you haven't seen those videos, we'll link them over here for you to go and check out. But the one tool we couldn't get much information from Milwaukee about, and definitely couldn't get our hands on until this coming September, because it won't be released until then, was this Stubby Impact. So it was great to be able to read some info. We were not at the MPS, although we did cover it very well. But let's read what we could see here. The M12 FUEL 1/4-inch Stubby Impact Wrench is the industry's most compact impact wrench on the marketplace. Measuring only 5.1 inches in length, this tool fits their tighter spaces, making users more productive. Increased torque delivers an industry-leading 1,000 foot-pounds of breakaway torque, removing even the most stubborn bolts and fasteners. 4-mode drive control will allow unmatched control in various fastening applications. 1 to 3 RPM speeds allow for precision control, and auto shut-off mode in the 4th setting will prevent over-fastening bolts while doing reassembly work. So they've added some really great features there. Number one, being a 1/4-inch impact wrench, offering 100 foot-pounds of breakaway torque is pretty substantial for a 1/4-inch impact wrench. It's a lot of torque. Then the 4-mode drive control. That's really important because you never want to over-tighten fasteners. You can strip them out, especially if you're dealing with situations where you might have steel fasteners going in through or fastening into aluminum. You have steel fastener. You could easily strip those parts out. If you have, I don't know, maybe a aluminum cylinder, a cylinder block or an aluminum cylinder head. You're tightening fasteners into these components. Maybe you would want to run them down to where they were hand or slight wrench tight, and then you would give that final torque with a torque wrench. You seem to be able to do that with the 4-mode drive control. Then you have your 1 to 3 RPM control, allows for precision control. An auto shutdown in the 4th setting will prevent over-fastening. This tool is very, very adjustable, which is really awesome. This is the most compact in 5.1 inches in length. It's one of 90-plus tools in their M12 system. The 4-drive control auto shut-off mode reduces over-fastening and increases productivity. You never want to kind of like take your mind off of work, but this could do a little bit of that. I don't want to say thinking for you, but it could make your job a little bit easier, that auto shut-off mode. 100 foot-pounds of breakaway torque. Now, this is a 1/4-inch Stubby Impact. A lot of times the torque is measured in inch-pounds for a tool this size, but it's not with this Stubby Impact. It is foot-pounds. Pretty amazing. Greatest access in tight spaces at 5.1 inches in length. And it's powered by an M12 red lithium battery, REDLIINK intelligence, and POWERSTATE brushless motor. So that red lithium intelligence will make sure that you're not damaging the battery, the motor, due to exceeding the limits of this tool. Pretty awesome. you're able to come here to MilwaukeeTool.com. You're able to take a look at the owner's manual, service parts list. The voltage is 12 volts. Product specifications, we talked about that length of 5.1 inches. It does have an LED light included on the tool. This way, if you're in a space, you don't necessarily need another drop light or flashlight. You have that included LED light in that tight space. It has a 5-year limited warranty. The width of the tool is 2.25 inches. The height is 6.75 inches or 6 3/4 inches. And the power source is cordless. I got to tell you, I'm super excited to get my hands on this tool and do a review. The channel's been asking for it. The Very Cool Gang has been asking for it. I got to tell you, it's super interesting. It's super compact. And for its size, it's super powerful. And if you like things that are super powerful, then smash the like button. With that, I want to say I appreciate every single one of you being here. Let us know down in the comments section. Do you want to see a full review, hands-on, with the Stubby Impact? We want to know. Leave it down in the comments section below. Everybody, we'll see you on the next one. Thanks. Video's over, but I know you want more. So this is how you're going to get it. First thing you need to do is pretend you're this guy. And you're here at the birthplace of freedom. Now ring that bell like it's 1776 and let all notifications through. What? You're not subscribed yet? Well, smash this button here. After that, watch this video here, here, and maybe over here. See you later.